Have you ever wondered what the world looks like through the eyes of your furry friend? Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of dog vision and uncover some surprising facts about how dogs see the world around them. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of dog vision. Dogs are known for their incredible sense of smell and hearing, but their vision is often misunderstood. Many people think that dogs see the world in black and white, but that's not entirely true. For years, people believed that dogs could only see in black and white. This misconception likely arose from early scientific studies that didn't fully understand the complexities of canine vision. However, modern research has shown that dogs do see colors, just not in the same way humans do. But guess what? That's a myth. Dogs are not completely colorblind. They have a different type of color vision compared to humans. While humans have 3 types of color receptors, or cones, in their eyes, dogs have only 2. This means their color perception is more limited, but they can still see a variety of colors. Dogs are not colorblind in the way many people think. They can see colors, but their color spectrum is different from ours. Humans can see a wide range of colors because we have 3 types of cones that detect red, green, and blue light. Dogs, on the other hand, have cones that detect blue and yellow light. They actually see a range of colors, just not as many as humans do. Their vision is similar to a person with red-green color blindness. This means that while they can see blues and yellows quite well, they have difficulty distinguishing between reds and greens. Their vision is more like a human with red-green color blindness. This type of color vision is called dichromatic vision. It allows dogs to see the world in shades of blue, yellow, and gray. Reds and greens appear as shades of gray or brown to them. This means they can see shades of blue, yellow, and green, but reds and oranges appear different. For example, a red toy might look brown or gray to a dog, while a blue toy would stand out more clearly. This is why many dog toys are designed in blue and yellow colors. So while your furry friend might not appreciate the vibrant reds of a sunset the same way you do, their world is still full of color. Understanding how dogs see the world can help us create a more enriching environment for them. By choosing toys and objects in colors they can see, we can make their lives more enjoyable and engaging. So next time you play with your dog, remember that their world is not just black and white, but a unique and colorful experience. Imagine looking through a pair of glasses that filter out certain colors. You might see the world in a completely different way, with some colors appearing muted or even invisible. This is somewhat similar to how dogs perceive their surroundings. Their vision is unique and tailored to their needs, which are quite different from ours. That's kind of what it's like to see the world through a dog's eyes. Dogs don't see the world in black and white, as some people might think. Instead, they see a spectrum of colors, but it's much more limited compared to human vision. Their world is primarily composed of shades of blue and yellow. While we have 3 types of color-detecting cells called cones in our eyes, dogs only have 2. Humans have cones that detect red, green, and blue light, allowing us to see a wide range of colors. Dogs, on the other hand, lack the red-detecting cones, which means they can't distinguish between red and green. This makes their color vision similar to that of a person with red-green color blindness. This means their color perception is limited, but they make up for it in other ways. Dogs rely heavily on their other senses to navigate the world. Their sense of smell is incredibly powerful, often described as their primary way of experiencing their environment. They can detect scents that are undetectable to humans, and this helps them identify objects, people, and other animals. For example, dogs excel in low-light conditions. Their eyes are adapted to see better in the dark, which is a trait inherited from their wild ancestors who needed to hunt at dawn and dusk. This ability is due to the higher number of light-sensitive cells in their eyes. This is because they have more light-sensitive cells called rods, which allow them to see better in dim light than humans. These rods are more sensitive to movement and light, giving dogs an advantage in detecting motion in low-light conditions. So, while their color vision might be limited, their overall visual capabilities are well suited to their needs. Think of human vision as a high-definition television with millions of colors. Our eyes are capable of perceiving a vast array of hues, from the deepest blues to the brightest reds. This ability allows us to appreciate the beauty of a sunset, the vibrancy of a blooming flower, and the subtle differences in shades that make up our world. The human eye has three types of color receptors, known as cones, which are sensitive to red, green, and blue light. These cones work together to create the full spectrum of colors we see every day. Dog vision, on the other hand, is more like an older television with a more limited color palette. Dogs have only two types of color receptors, which means they see the world primarily in shades of blue and yellow. This limited color vision is similar to a human with red-green color blindness. While they may not see the full range of colors that we do, this doesn't mean their vision is inferior, it's just different. Both screens can display images, but the level of detail and color richness varies. For humans, the world is a vibrant tapestry of colors and details. For dogs, the world is more about contrasts and movement. This difference in vision affects how they interact with their environment. For example, a red toy in green grass might stand out to us, but to a dog it might blend in more, making it harder to find. While dogs may not experience the full spectrum of colors like we do, their vision is perfectly adapted to their needs. Dogs are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Their eyes have more rod cells, which are better at detecting light and motion, making them excellent at seeing in low light conditions. This adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to detect predators and prey during these times. Their ability to detect motion and see well in low light makes them excellent hunters and companions. Dogs rely on their keen sense of smell and hearing to complement their vision, creating a well-rounded sensory experience that helps them navigate their world. Whether they're tracking a scent, chasing a ball, or simply keeping watch over their family, dogs use their unique vision to their advantage every day. Scientists have conducted numerous studies to understand dog vision. By analyzing the structure of their eyes and observing their behavior, researchers have made remarkable discoveries. One study found that dogs can distinguish between shades of blue, yellow, and gray. They also discovered that dogs are less sensitive to changes in brightness than humans. These findings help us understand how dogs perceive the world and how their vision influences their behavior. Debunking the myths, common misconceptions. Now let's clear up some common misconceptions about dog vision. First, as we've already established, dogs are not completely colorblind. Second, while dogs have better night vision than humans, they can't see in complete darkness. And finally, while dogs may not see colors as vividly as we do, color is still an important part of their visual experience. It's time to put those old wives' tales to rest. Beyond the rainbow, the importance of other senses. While vision is important for dogs, it's not their most dominant sense. Dogs rely heavily on their sense of smell and hearing to navigate their surroundings. Their incredible sense of smell allows them to detect scents from far away and distinguish between thousands of different odors. Their keen hearing helps them locate prey, identify familiar sounds, and respond to their owner's commands. Enrichment for our four-legged friends. Understanding how dogs see the world can help us provide them with a more enriching environment. When choosing toys for your dog, opt for those in shades of blue or yellow, as these colors are easier for them to distinguish. You can also engage their other senses by providing them with puzzle toys that challenge their problem-solving skills and olfactory enrichment activities. Appreciating the unique perspective of dogs. Dogs may not see the world exactly as we do, but that doesn't make their perspective any less valid. Their unique visual experience, combined with their heightened senses of smell and hearing, allows them to experience the world in a way we can only imagine. By appreciating these differences, we can strengthen our bond with our furry companions and provide them with the best possible care. Conclusion: a colorful world viewed differently. So there you have it. Dogs are not colorblind. They see a colorful world, just not with the same vibrancy and detail as humans. Their vision is a fascinating example of how animals adapt to their environment and use their senses to thrive. Remember, our furry friends may experience the world differently, but that's what makes them so special. Keep those tails wagging and those discoveries coming. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.